Choose to rent, advancing events through technology.
Using the provided screws, secure the post to the base plate through the rearmost openings with a screwdriver. Slide the base housing cover down and position the cables underneath the cable cutout. Fasten the housing cover to the base using the remaining screws and attach the base housing cover by sliding it into place. Connect the iPad to the charging cable and place it into the Lilitab case. Connect the NFC reader to the USB charging cable, switch the toggle to Bluetooth, and place it into the Lilitab case. Secure the iPad into the case by sliding in the faceplate towards the NFC reader and clicking it into place. Please follow the NFC reader connection steps from your registration software provider. Do not add as Bluetooth device right away via the iPad settings. Place the iPad inside the case onto the Lilitab stand and lock it in place using the provided key. Adjust the viewing position by tilting the iPad up and down. Once the iPad is set up and attached to the Lilitab floor stand, your device will be ready for use.
Remove the iPad from the enclosure by pressing both faceplate release levers in while pulling the faceplate up.